This is Chris from ModeMunch and welcome to another episode of Fast Food Fight, the show that reviews popular dishes from fast food chains, recreates them to make them look and taste like their retail products, all whilst reducing the cost. Imagine crisp, sweet, crunchy balls of delight drenched in deliciously smooth, sticky honey and softly toasted sesame seeds on a bed of soft, fluffy white rice. Literally sugar thighs. $10.95 fried chicken and dessert, all in one. Bargain. Speaking of crusty balls of delight, Happy Banana Massage Parlour has a special on medicinal massage using a special massage ointment called Denco. Don't get it in your eyes, but freeze them shut. I pulled my groin muscle this morning, then I went back to bed. Rice in the rice cooker and fill it up with water, about a knuckles more than the rice. Cut your chicken into small strips and place it in coarse powder. Make sure it's completely covered. Salt and pepper. Place it in veggie oil at 180 degrees. Fry till golden. Taste some sesame seeds till they change colour, then set aside. Place some honey in a fry pan with some salt, pepper, white vinegar and palm sugar. Keep mixing until the palm sugar dissolves. Once all done, add together and serve with shredded lettuce. Came in at $4.15. This has been Chris from ModeMunch, and I'll see you next Thursday.